show, we pushing the murder right. Me and my nigga wanna spice shit up, and we going to murder day. 100 bands up in that safe, I got that murder cake. 6, 7 niggas up on that mission, I bet I murder 8. These niggas suicidal on they item, checking shit like vitals.
What's going on, guys? I'm bringing it back to you guys with some more action. Today we got a pretty special day. I got this brand new, and I'm saying brand new 2022 Mercedes Benz. And we're gonna take this bad boy to get its first oil change ever today. It's got about 5,000 miles on it. Look at this. Oh my God, GLS. Let's go. This bad boy is out of this world. I can't wait to go for a drive. This thing is amazing. GLS 454 Matic. Oh my God, I don't even get to ever drive this car. This is my dad and mom's car. This is not a dealer item, this is a personal item. And this vehicle is around 120,000 MSRP. Brand new, we purchased it from Rockland Mercedes-Benz. And it is time for its first oil change. We're gonna take it to Mercedes-Benz in Sacramento and get the oil change. Let's knock this out, guys. I'm excited. Alrighty. And we are off. This vehicle is like an absolute machine. Got the heads-up display. It is just beautiful. That is a nice car. So it's letting us know that we have to put our seatbelt on. Go ahead and do that real fast. And now we're steady sailing. We're sailing away in the brand new 2022 Mercedes-Benz GLS 450. Right off the top, I'm just gonna let you guys know that this vehicle is just so smooth and responsive. It is out of control. It's got almost every little package you can think of, from the navigation to the backup to the heads-up display. It's got the full panoramic roof in the vehicle, which is actually pretty sweet. Let me go ahead and see if I can bring it back for you guys. So we have the full panoramic roof in here that goes all the way back. That is amazing. Still going. Now we have the whole glass in the car as the roof. That is awesome. So if you look over here as well, so Mercedes-Benz has these cool speakers that are like, I don't know, these are pretty sharp. It's like stainless steel metal. This sounds amazing. You got your heated seats, you got your air conditioned seats, your memory, your control for where you sit, all your controls for the window and the mirror. Looks like you have some light controls here, along with some fog light controls here, parking brake here. You also have the paddle shifters, the volume controls, the home button, cruise control. This one has dynamic and adaptive cruise control, which allows you to pretty much slow down and speed up when needed when you drive. So let's see, a little get up here. Oh yeah, you just hear the turbo spooling on this vehicle, guys. This is something out of a movie. I'm not even kidding. This is so fun to drive. It's so luxurious. I would rate this vehicle a 10 out of 10. And I don't even drive Mercedes. This is so awesome. There is Mercedes-Benz of Sacramento, and it looks like we are in luck because they are open and we need to go in for an oil change for our Mercedes. Let's go see how we get treated in here. The palm trees, the palm trees, the palm trees. Service, 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 service. Going straight into service. Mercedes-Benz service department. There's a whole bunch of Nuki vehicles. Wowzers. Alright, we'll be back to go talk to the advisor and see what happens. Yo, I'm at Mercedes-Benz. I just bumped into one of the coolest dudes over here. What's your name?
Victor, man. Victor, get at me.
I'm here with Victor. He was one of my service advisors over here. He came up, pulled up, made sure I got some help, and we got the oil change and situated, alright? This is what I'm talking about. Good service, good vibes, and good people, baby.
Always. Hey, we try to provide the best here. Mercedes-Benz.
You hear that? Say that one more time.
We try to provide the best here. Mercedes-Benz.
Mercedes-Benz. Choose your car, baby. Let's go. Alright, we're all done. That wraps up the video. We are now leaving Mercedes-Benz.